In this tutorial, let us learn about Pandas introduction. Pandas introduction. What is Pandas? Pandas is a Python library used for working with data sets. It has functions for analyzing, cleaning, exploring and manipulating data. The name Pandas has a reference to both panel data and Python data analysis and was created by Wes McKinney in 2008. Why use Pandas? Pandas allows us to analyze big data and make conclusions based on statistical theories. Pandas can clean messy data sets and make them readable and relevant. Relevant data is very important in data sciences. Data science is a branch of computer science where we study how to store, use and analyze data for deriving information from it. What can Pandas do? Pandas give us answers about the data like: is there a correlation between two or more columns? What is average value, maximum value, minimum value? Pandas are also able to delete rows that are not relevant or contains wrong values like empty or null values. This is called cleaning the data. Where is the Pandas code base? The source code of Pandas is located at this GitHub repository. By following this link, you can get that data. GitHub enables many people to work on the same code base. Okay friends, this is the end of part 2 Pandas tutorial. Introduction. In next video, let us learn about another topic, Pandas getting started. If you like our program, please like, subscribe and press bell icon for our next part video updates. Thank you friends. Meet you in next video. All the best.